solo parent and hardworking mom. Imagine with me a young Filipina in her early 20s politely turning away from advances of an older foreigner who looks confused or surprised in a coffee shop, restaurant, beach, or shopping mall. A Filipina shows a mix of respect and discomfort, while the foreigner looks puzzled. She is not interested, and I know why. Today's episode is about the reality that young Filipina are not interested in older foreigners. Let's eat real, raw, and address it with honesty. Many young Filipinas today don't want to sleep with foreign men, even if they're kind, generous, or financially stable. You might see those dreamy smiles, the friendly chats, the giggles, the selfies. But behind those polite no's, there's often a firm no when it comes to physical intimacy. Today, I'm going to give you 7 honest reasons behind it. Reason number 1: the creepy old guy syndrome. Many foreign men in the Philippines are over 50 or 60 looking for love in a country where women are in their 20s. To many young Filipinas, this age gap feels unnatural, awkward, or downright off-putting. Even if the man has good intentions, his interest can come across as predatory. They may think, she thinks, why would a man his age want someone like me? Unless he's looking for something I'm not willing to give. Reason number 2: in many traditional Filipino homes, purity, respectability, and family honor still matter. A young Filipina caught sleeping with a foreigner risks being labeled, judged, or even cast out. It's not just about her reputation, it's about how her entire family will be perceived. So even if she likes you, she won't risk her dignity for a fleeting romance. Reason number 3: let's be honest, some foreign men come to the Philippines for one thing: easy intimacy. They wine, dine, and then expect sex like it's part of the package deal. Word spreads fast, and young Filipinas too. They have heard the story, the lies, the ghosting, the broken promises. So even the good guys suffer from the reputation damage left behind by the bad ones. Reason number 4: many young Filipinas today are educated, career focused, and emotionally mature. They're not desperate for money or visas. They want someone they can connect with emotionally and mentally, not just someone who buys them gifts or pays their rent. If a foreigner starts treating her like a project instead of a partner, she'll walk away fast. Reason number 5: every young Filipino with a Facebook or TikTok gets dozens of foreign men in her inbox. Most messages are creepy, overly sexual, or plain disrespectful. After years of digital harassment, many young women have built a mental wall. So when a nice guy approaches, he still gets filtered out because of the trauma from past online encounters. Reason number 6: a 22 years old Filipina knows the rest if she gives herself to a foreigner. He leaves the country, he goes here, she's left heartbroken, ashamed, unjudged. She sent it happen to friends and cousins. Why would she take that gamble? Reason number 7: this generation of Filipinas is different. They're standing up. They are saying, I don't want to be used. I don't want to be your fantasy. I don't care how much money you have. My body is mine. That's not disrespectful. That's self respect. They want real relationships, not bedroom deals. They want love that grows with time, not sex that fades overnight. So next time a young Filipina says no, don't take it personally. Take it respectfully. Because what you're seeing is a woman who knows her worth. And if you're serious, show your respect, consistency, and emotional maturity. Because love, not lust, is the only way forward. She doesn't want your wallet, she wants your integrity. Because the truth matters more than fantasy. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.